So we're here today at Tim Lally Chevrolet. Who do we have with us?
Ethan Holmes, owner of Holmes Mouthwatering Apple Sauce.
Wow, fantastic. Mr. Holmes, what did you buy today?
Today I actually bought a Chevrolet Equinox that I'm proud to be taking home from Tim Lally Chevrolet.
Who'd you work with?
I was able to work with Bruce here, Bruce Meyers. He's a great salesman, great to work with. So.
Now, tell me more about your company. You're a local entrepreneur, started the business from scratch, right?
Correct. So all natural applesauce product. We entered markets in 2015, Heinens, and now we're sold at about 400 different locations.
Fantastic. And you started that all here. How long have you been in business?
So we were founded in Shaker Heights, Ohio, and I started the company when I was only 15 years old. My grandfather showed me how to make applesauce, and then I spent years innovating it and bringing it to market.
Now I understand though, yours is like all organic and pure, no?
Correct. So our applesauce is all natural. All we do is work with local farms like Patterson's, and we add no sugar to our products. We hand make everything in downtown Cleveland and sell it at stores like Giant Eagle, Whole Foods, Kroger, and more.
So if I wanted to learn more about it, where would I go?
You could head to our website, holmesapplesauce.com, or look us up on social media.
All right, I'll make sure I link that over there. Thank you guys so much. Good luck to you.
Perfect.
And I can't wait to have a great
ownership. Thank you guys for the opportunity. Thank you for the car. Appreciate it. Thank you.